Good luck or bad luck, who knows? A long time ago, an old man lived in a small village in the mountains in the middle of China. He had a son whom he loved very much, but the son was a student in a city very far from his father's village. So, the old man lived and worked alone. Every day, he worked for long hours on his farm. There was always a lot to do. He was a kind and friendly man, and all the people in the village liked him. They knew the old farmer needed the help of his son, a strong young man who was not afraid of hard work. But the old farmer never complained. The villagers often came to the old man's house and told him how sorry they were that his son was not there to help him. When will your son come back home? It's bad luck for you to live alone, so far away from your only son, they said. But the old farmer always replied with the same words. Bad luck or good luck, who knows? One day, the old man's son came back to the village. The people were very happy for the old man and came to his house. Now that your son has come back, your house will be full of good luck again, they said. But the old farmer only smiled and replied. Good luck or bad luck, who knows? People knew the farmer was a man of few words, so they didn't ask what he meant. Life was hard in the village, and nearly everyone was poor. But the old farmer and his son were not as poor as some others. They had a horse. On a farm, a horse could do the work of 4 men. One morning, the farmer's son left the stable door open, and the horse ran away. The son felt terrible. What have I done? Work on the farm without a horse will be really hard. What will we do now? He asked his father. The villagers again felt sorry for them. This is very bad luck, they said. But once again, the old farmer smiled quietly and said, Bad luck or good luck, who knows? That afternoon, some villagers thought they saw the old man's horse running across the hills. That evening, the son went to look for it. After a few hours, he found their horse eating grass next to a wild horse. He was able to bring both horses back to the farm. When the villagers heard the news, they were excited. First you had 1 horse, then none, and now 2. Your good luck has returned, they said. But the old farmer just smiled and replied. Good luck or bad luck, who knows? The son liked the new horse and decided to tame it. Be careful, son. You've lived in the city for many years. You don't know much about taming wild horses, the old man warned. Don't worry, father. I know what I'm doing, the son replied. When I tame this horse, we'll have 2 to help us on the farm, and life will be better. But the next day, the son fell from the wild horse's back and broke his leg. This was a big problem. A man with a broken leg needs food but cannot work. Once again, the villagers came to express their sympathy. First your son was in the city. Then he returned. Now he has broken his leg, and you must take care of him. Your bad luck has returned, they said. Once again, the father smiled quietly and replied. Bad luck or good luck, who knows? Some villagers were confused. Where is the good luck in breaking a leg, they wondered. At that time, there was a terrible war between the east and west of China. Every week, hundreds of young men died. One day, soldiers came to the village, looking for young men to fight. All the able-bodied young men had to join the army and leave for war. Their families cried, knowing many would not return. But the soldiers left the old farmer's son behind. A man with a broken leg was of no use to the army. Now the villagers understood. They went to the farmer and said, Your son didn't have to go to war because of his broken leg. Your bad luck truly became good luck. The old farmer smiled kindly and replied, Good luck or bad luck, who knows? Did you enjoy this story? Stories like this help you improve your vocabulary, grammar, and listening skills in a natural and enjoyable way. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting and easy to understand English stories every week. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends who are also learning English. Let us know in the comments. What did you learn from this story? We'd love to hear your thoughts.